1. Mechanical cash register. Mechanical cash register. This is the heavy, antique brass machine that started the entire retail revolution. Before computers existed, this device relied entirely on a complex system of internal metal gears and levers to calculate the total price of a sale. When the cashier aggressively cranked the heavy side handle, a physical bell would ring out loudly to alert the store owner that a transaction was happening. And the heavy wooden cash drawer would pop open to accept the customer's physical money. 2. Electronic cash register. Electronic cash register, often abbreviated as an ECR. This is the classic chunky plastic machine you still see in small diners and corner stores today. It completely replaced mechanical gears with a simple internal computer circuit. It features a massive grid of physical buttons, allowing the cashier to quickly type in the price of an item and calculate the exact sales tax instantly. It also introduced the thermal receipt printer, burning a physical paper record of the transaction for the customer to take home. 3. Point-of-sale POS system. Point-of-sale system. This is not just a simple calculator. It is a highly advanced touchscreen computer that completely manages a modern retail business. When the cashier scans the barcode on your item, this system instantly checks the store's massive digital inventory, deducts the item from the warehouse count, and automatically alerts the manager when it is time to order more stock. It is a highly expensive, all-in-one hub that seamlessly handles credit cards, employee time clocks, and complex customer rewards programs. 4. Self-checkout kiosk. Self-checkout kiosk. This massive, automated station completely removes the human employee from the transaction, transferring the physical labor of scanning and bagging directly to the consumer. To prevent massive theft, the bagging area is actually a highly sensitive digital scale. The computer knows exactly how much a can of soup should weigh, and if the item you place in the bag does not perfectly match the weight of the barcode you just scanned, the system completely locks down and flashes a red light until an employee comes to check on you. 5. Mobile POS, MPOS. Mobile POS. This brilliant technological invention takes the massive computing power of a traditional retail register and shrinks it down to fit in the palm of your hand. By plugging a tiny, square-shaped plastic dongle directly into the charging port of a standard smartphone or tablet, anyone can instantly accept secure credit card payments from anywhere in the world. It completely revolutionized small businesses, allowing independent artists, food trucks, and local plumbers to take digital payments without renting expensive bank hardware. 6. Cloud-based register. Cloud-based register. This invisible technology is what allows massive, nationwide coffee shop chains to run thousands of stores simultaneously. Instead of storing the day's financial data on a hard drive hidden in the back room, every single register constantly uploads its transaction data directly to a remote computer server via the internet. This allows a corporate executive sitting in an office on the other side of the country to watch exactly how many cups of coffee are being sold in real time, second by second.